I'm back. Happen, boy.
I love TASHAUNI.
SGA. Y'all, I'm back. All right, hey y'all. I don't know what me before this said, but right now, what we doing right now, I'm basically moving in officially. So I've been got my key on like Wednesday. Today's Friday the 20th. I got my key on Wednesday, but I just stayed in my room for a little bit and then got my silk press. You know, y'all see the silk press. But I'm just gonna show you guys me moving in a little bit. The bin right over there. I'm about to just pack out my stuff. Y'all, so I literally did not do anything. Like, look how all my stuff looks. Even the bin is right here. I'm gonna bring it back downstairs because you guys don't be bringing it back downstairs. But I'm literally about to take out my food that I ate when I come back. So I'm either coming back Sunday or Monday. No, definitely Sunday. But I'm gonna clean. I'm gonna show all y'all what I'm gonna do. I must make it look presentable. Just I'm not packing away my stuff. No, not today. But yeah. Yeah, so I'm picking back up where I left off, right? So I come back to school, my mom drops me my groceries. The elevator isn't working, so I have more groceries downstairs. I live on the 3rd floor, highest floor. At least it's not more floors than that, but let's get up. Y'all, the crazy thing is, I got 2 cases of water. I'm about to show y'all how we're bad. It's nothing, period. I did it. I did it. Woo! Guys, so I'm basically finished. I really just moved my desk and like tidied it up. My bed, I didn't spread it, and I also want to get some pillows, but I don't use pillows, y'all. Like, I literally don't use pillows when I sleep, but like, you know, for sitting up in the bed or whatever. I don't know why I just did that, but for like staying up in the bed or whatever, or just for decoration. But I don't really like spending no more money. I'm about to go right now to run to the financial aid office so that I could get my work study stuff approved and go give it in to the people. And then also I want to get my mail from the mailroom, and then also go to the mall, which I probably have to wait until about 3ish. So I'm probably gonna go there, and then so that I could come back and then go get on the bus and catch it by the dorms so that I could go to the mall. But yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to the mailroom, and he had to put my packages in a bag because there's so many of them. I literally put it on my back like Santa because it's not that light. Very questionable bag is right here. Guys, so like it's Christmas time. I opened the bag, and the first thing we got, it got all my information on here. Hold on. Okay. The first thing we got is the Miel products. If you watched my other video, I was telling you guys how I only had the oil. Here's the oil. I only have the oil, but I got this, like the set, like the conditioner, all that stuff. I got all that stuff, and I'm gonna try and see how it works in my hair. I know it's a whole uproar going on about it, but that's too bad because I already spent my money, and I'm gonna see how it works for my hair. So the next thing we got is this pretty little thing package. I know what it is. So it's a leather jacket. It's like a long one. It's real cute. I'm not gonna take it out and show you guys, but I am doing something on my TikTok. So follow my TikTok at the Shawnee Show, and you can see it. So next, I think all of these things are Shein, but they didn't give me a box this time. Thank God, so that I could carry it. They gave me bags. So there's that bag. There's this bag. And who's calling me? Ugh. There's this bag. Hold on, guys. And so now I'm going to the mall, and I'm very careful to wait for the shuttle because it don't be coming on time for real, especially when nobody's here. But we're gonna see how long it takes. It is 2:59 and it comes at 3. So we're gonna see. This light makes my skin look so pretty. Oh, oh that's nice. Oh, that's good.
It's good, huh?
Yeah. One is good. Yeah. Yeah, it's a blessing. Yeah, you don't look that old.
But I feel like I'm old.
You feel it?
Yeah.
Bus drivers, they won't talk to you. I don't mind though. I like talking to new people, just about anything. I finally got my stuff and I'm probably gonna try and go to relax because I'm tired. It's so warm in here. I have to wait and go for my room. But here's our hallway. Yes, I just packed everything away, but I don't complain to God when I have an abundance of things because there's people wanting more and I already got more, so I'm not gonna complain. But it's just like I just gotta pack away everything. I would do it. You just gotta do it. Like the bus driver, he was just talking to me about like life's not easy. You just have to make the choice to do it and do it. Like anything you do is not easy because you have to make the choice to do it. The easiest part is not doing it. So amen to that. Amen. Come on, word. Come on, word. But yeah, anyways, let me pack out my stuff and wash my hands. Okay guys, so I didn't end up showing you guys what I got, but what I got was like underwear. I got lotion, soap, Rice Krispie treats, these club crackers, and deodorant. That was pretty much it. I just ate dinner, which is from like last week, but when we had orientation, because there's nothing really to eat on campus. But tonight I'm pretty much done. I'm gonna go to sleep and just relax because I have to be up tomorrow for 9, but I'm gonna wake up at like 7 so I can take a shower, and then I'm gonna try to think about my outfit tonight, but I'll find it in the morning. I'll show you guys what I do tomorrow because it's part of SGA, so you know, if any of you guys want to join and see what we do for our meetings in the beginning of the year, keep watching. But yeah, that's pretty much it for tonight. Don't forget to say your prayers. Mwah. Wait guys, I forgot I wanted to do laundry and I only got a few things to wash, so I'm gonna wash that and then I'm done for tonight. Oh, I'm trying to get ready and I'm trying to eat cereal. Look what just happened, boy. I was trying to crush the cereal up and I busted the bottom and all it's in my shoes. It's yo, look how much cereal, bro. I don't want to spill it, but look how much cereal this is, bro. Just eat my cereal, you know. I also gotta fold my clothes because I did do laundry last night. I just didn't fold it. I was dumb tired and I got like mad sleep, except that I woke up at 4 a.m. this morning for no reason. I'm gonna do that, go take a shower, get ready. I kind of know what I'm wearing already. I just have to find out where it is, and then yeah, about to leave from my room like right now. My hair took so long because it's like it wouldn't stay in the thingies, but it's okay. And I need to moisturize my face, but hold on. I'm about to be late. I'm only a few buildings over. It's like 8:55 right now, but we start at 9, so I'm about to get there. It's literally in the street again. But my hair took the longest, bruh, just to perfect it, and it's still gonna mess up throughout the day, so I don't know why I did just leave, but it's okay. Guys, it's 9:04. I'm not that late. I promise you, I'm probably like not the only one late, so it's okay. Guys, I was number 5. I was the 5th person there, and our SGA has like 18 people, so y'all need to do better. I need to do better too, but y'all need to do better. But I made it. Fit check. So scarf Primark, leather jacket Primark, shirt Shein, pants are like Shein or Charlotte Russe. But yeah, it's giving very cute but comfy because we're going out later. The scarf was making me hot, but y'all, I probably should have got my leather jacket a little less in size because I got it big just so that I could put layers under it and I wouldn't be like dragging it. But now it's like a little too big on me, like low key too big, but it's okay.
We have to be out of place.
But
Okay, welcome to SGA. You've been installed and y'all did what y'all had to do. So proud of y'all.
gang. Guys, so we finished our meeting. And it is, oh, my watch is in my, yeah, that's what I say what time it was. Okay, it's 12:03. And we about to go to Top Golf. So, yeah. Oh, you want to get in the vlog? That is okay.
I love TASHAUNI.
I love you too.
In the mirror, I'm feeling me. Get out of town.
Don't drop my big face, that's it.
And everybody pour my drink. I don't trust you all of them.
Yes. Let's go hit some balls, guys.
Guys, we made it. Guys, we met up with the rest of the SGA. Gang. Guys, we here. Guys, so we about to play. It's only 3 of us. It's me, Alicia, and how you say it? Sadie. Bad. We about to play.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Wow. Guys, this is what they got us to eat. You know, little, you know, and a chip. It's some Sprite. Even though I drink water, but it's okay.
Stop playing with her.
Stop playing with her. Oh my God. Oh.
We're gonna cut that out. We're ready. We're live and rolling. Oh yeah, I don't know where it went, but it went in the middle and then it kicked. Oh.
Okay, this is my last one.
All right.
I think I'm making a comeback, Sadie.
Make your mark.
I'm making a comeback. 32? Oh, I think I'm making
You have 1 minute to make the shots. Wow. You saw that?
Guys, so last game, Sadie won. She had 36. I had a comeback of 32, I think, right? And then Alicia had 19. But, wait, where'd you make it? Woo! But yeah, that's basically, so I got second place. SGA! Guys, so we took our group picture, but only SGA only allowed, period. Yeah. It's giving group outing was a success. If you're not a part of the SGA and you're only an OSPRE student, you're not gang. Like,
You're not valid.
you have to make a difference.
You have to be one of us. And if you're not one of us, you're not welcome. I'm
You're
kidding.
She said, I'm kidding. I'm not, but okay. Technically, this is my score, so yeah. We are leaving now, and I did my big one. It is. Say hey. Yeah, so I'm walking back to the dorms now. And no offense, I don't really want to see these people. Like, I do miss the people I hang out with a lot. I do miss y'all, but it was so quiet when I was here by myself. So to go back to everybody just being here, it's gonna overwhelm me. And I really just want to lay down because I did do a lot today and I'm tired. But I'm happy to see y'all. But okay, guys, so I'm back. That was such a good time with SGA/CAP today. If you guys want to get involved, just know we do things like that just to like bond the team together. But that's not what we do all the time. Like, we're just trying to bond, and then throughout the semester we really got work to do. But yeah, if you guys are at SUNY West Bay, you want to join SGA and CAP, do it. But also, this is like the end of this video because I'm going to be doing a video for first day of school tomorrow for Wednesday and Thursday. I think like the first 2 days of school, only because we have a party and I want to show you guys kind of the party life just a little bit. But yeah, so yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Stay blessed, you heard?